me tell you something about kids, alright? Ain't nobody want them. Period. Nobody want no goddamn kids, alright? And I know that firsthand. You know why? Because I got 3 of them. You know how many baby daddy I got? 4 of them. So let me tell you something, alright? Nobody want to stay with me because I got 3 kids, alright? Alright? The baby daddy left. Let me tell you about child supports. I can't get rich quick, but I can have their kid and get rich quick. Let me tell you that much. Yeah, alright. I didn't have this drinking problem up until about 3 months ago when I was pregnant. Yeah, shit didn't go well. Popped out angry. You know, all these doctors and shit, they don't know what they talking about. What? Alright, first baby daddy, you ready? Ray forever. You know why? You know why? Because I got his kid. I got his kid and he paying me child support? Word. Alright, second baby daddy. I started twerking on the dance floor. Oh, he was ready to get it in. I tell you what, he was like, damn, baby! God damn! Woo! And there goes the second kid. I just had my last one 4 days ago. That's why we're spending it here. Little family thing. I got fried chicken over there. I can eat some right now. Whatever. So, 4 days old, 2 years, and then 3 years. Alright? It's the middle of goddamn January. And I'm out here? Come on. I got 2 boys and a girl. The girl's name? Courtney Bon Tiffany. That's my girl. I teach her how to twerk. She only 2 years old and she can go, yeah, baby. I taught her that shit myself. Courtney Bon Tiffany. Don't eat that shit. I done told you. Put that shit down. Word, you heard me? She's just the cutest darn thing. Anyway.
What's up, baby?
Oh, hey,
What
baby.
you gonna do for 8 quarters?
8 quarters?
8 quarters.
Oh, shit, baby. Come on. You want 2 hours?
I want 3.
You want 3 hours?
I want 3
Alright,
hours.
baby. Okay, baby. Come on. Yeah, baby. Oh, shit. Look at your ride. Baby. Yeah, boy.